Question B1. Now, what's really going to help with B1 is a little sketch of what's going on, which you haven't got on the actual question on the Maximas. So, if we've got a lift traveling to the top floor of a skyscraper, and then it travels down 55 floors to the sixth floor below ground level, what floor number is at the top? Now, here's a little sketch. Don't try and count the squares or windows in the picture. This is just a sketch that's not to scale. But what is important about this sketch is that ground level is basically floor 0. So where I put this pink line in to represent ground level, we'll put a 0 on that line. And then anything below that line is below ground level, underground. And a lot of these buildings do have floors underground. And anything above 0 is above ground level. But what we're told is that the whole thing is, the whole journey is 55 floors. Let's just do that in a different color. So the whole journey is 55 floors. So we could just put a 55 on that from top all the way down to below ground level. But we are told that when it gets that 55 floors, that is at the sixth floor below. So that the bottom would be level with -6. Now, what we need to remember is that from 0 to -6 is a gap of 6. 0 to -6 is a gap of 6. But the gap is 55 altogether. So the question is, how many more floors is it from to make it up to so that it's 55? So to work that out, if we just do 55, take away 6, which you could probably do in your head is going to be 49, just to make sure, yeah, 49, then that means that we've got to have 49 more floors on top of the 6 to make it 55 floors altogether. So from the top down to here, let's do that in blue so it matches in with the picture. So from the top down to here, that is going to have to be another 49 floors. And then that makes sense because we did 55 floors from the top right down to the very bottom. 6 of those are below 0 and 49 are above ground 0. So 49 and 6 makes 55 altogether. Therefore, the top floor must be floor 49. Final answer is 49.